Thobane Masobho Hlongwa made an about turn when he abandoned his bail application. His lawyer, Zolani Duma, did not give the court reasons for the decision. Hlongwa was arrested last week by a task team investigating political killings in the province. He is charged with the murder of former DA Chief Whip in uMngeni Local Municipality, Nhlalayenza Ndlovu. State Prosecutor Advocate Elvis Cweka told the court that the state would oppose bail and indicated that further arrests in the case could be made. In addition, Cweka said the state was also waiting for cell phone records and bank statements of the accused. Outside the court, DA supporters picketed, calling for justice for Ndlovu.
Have engaged with the family. There are mixed reactions. Obviously, they are happy that someone has been arrested. There are concerns whether or not this person was directly involved for a number of reasons. Firstly, the wife of Nhlalayenza, Upriti, witnessed the person who pulled the trigger. So there's questions whether or not this is the person. But again, not knowing the details of the case, is this person an accomplice or were they the person who pulled the trigger? The second area of concern is the task team's refusal to engage directly with the family, which is incredibly concerning. The family is asked on advice by their lawyers that they should not engage with the police without having their lawyers available. The task team refuses to engage with the family with the lawyers present, which is of concern to us. But the family is optimistic that this arrest will lead to more information that could possibly lead then to the kingpins. We are of the strong view that the people who pulled the trigger were only the tools that were used to murder Nhlalayenza, but there's a much greater network that exists behind this particular incident.
Our province has a dreadful history of witnesses and people in jail succumbing to injuries, and we call upon SABC, and we also call upon the correctional services, wherever the accused is going to be housed, that the accused is given the proper protection that he deserves. Otherwise, we've seen this play out before, and we don't get to the bottom of what the actual or who was behind this. So that is the status as it is at the moment.
Hlongwa will be back in court on the 8th of November. Londi Khatebe, SABC News, Howick.